and 75% of jobs in the future will be STEM-based disciplines. So for us, being one of the largest healthcare companies in the world, it's important that we're supporting women in STEM disciplines, and we think this is a great program to encourage great diversity, breed innovation, and hopefully help women pursue these degrees, but also stay in those degrees and be successful in their careers. People who've had STEM degrees like myself, I studied chemistry and now I lead our diversity inclusion strategy. So I think it's just a way for students to see what the future may hold and what some of the possibilities are.
So I think the value is probably more they get to talk to people who have life experience, that have maybe done a STEM career, or working like me in a STEM career, that can give them some different insights probably to what they're so focused on with their results and their textbook at the moment. Be brave. You've got 5 seconds. You can be brave in that 5 seconds. Go out and ask the questions. What's the worst thing that can happen? Take what they're learning in the classroom and tap into networks right now.
When we got to ask all the people questions, one-on-one,
I did enjoy the speeches that everyone gave. Like, actually listening to their story makes you realise that so many different things can happen that you never expected, and that especially doing a degree, there are so many opportunities.
I think my highlight was actually talking to Anne, just learning the different paths that she did and her tips, and just making a contact. I think she's going to be a big help actually.
Very, very approachable.
Yeah, easy to talk to, and they were really nice in the way that I feel like even though they're so much smarter, more experienced and older than I am, I can have a conversation with them easily, and it was quite enjoyable.
Yes, I would highly recommend the program, even if you don't know if it will be beneficial or not. It's definitely worth coming and having a listen to, and just hearing the different people's stories and how they got to where they are.